Yes, I am here again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. I have videos that I'm going to present to you, and I would like you to look and listen to these videos and tell me what you think, alright? Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person holding a gun a certain type of way, and you can hear persons laughing in the video. You can also hear certain words as well in the video, viewers and subscribers, and I would like you to look and listen to this video and tell me why you think those persons was laughing. Observe with me.
Skilla techniczek.
Alright, my people. Alright, so first things first, my people. I want to take a look at how the person was holding the gun. You see, let me slow down the video a little bit, right? So let me slow down. I want you to take a look at how the person was holding that gun out in the public. You see me I say? Tell me what you think about that. You see me I say? And let me point out something else right here. Let me slow down this some more right here. Alright, stop. Now tell me what you see right here. So in the video, zoom in, zoom in. Tell me what you see right there. So what do you see? Tell me what do you see? Alright? Now I saw a video that shows two persons who had been apprehended and they had been handcuffed together, viewers and subscribers. Now in the video you can hear when someone said robbery gwan, and the person also said other words as well. The video also shows police officers from within the country of Jamaica. Yes, the video that I'm about to present to you had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded, and I don't have any confirmed information as to how those persons had been apprehended. Again, in the video you can hear when a person said robbery gwan. Now obviously those persons who had been handcuffed together had done something wrong, viewers and subscribers, based on how persons who you can see in the video treated them, and you can hear questions being asked to viewers and subscribers. The video shows police officers at the scene, viewers and subscribers, and based on what you're about to see and hear in this video, you might get a good understanding about the whole situation. I got the understanding that at least one of those two persons had been injured. I said at least one of those two persons had been injured, viewers and subscribers, because the video that I clearly saw shows what seems to be something red or blood on one of those persons' shirt. So massive viewers and subscribers. Anyways, the video also shows what seems to be money on the ground. You understand, my people? And I just wanted to take a look at this video and tell me what to think about this situation. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe. Tell me what you think.
Texas too.
James, bust here. Let him talk first. Talk first.
Alright, just for me, the money from
They want him up.
Okay, so I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly how those persons have been apprehended, viewers and subscribers, even though I read a news article about a situation that seems to somewhat similar, you know, but to my knowledge, I got unconfirmed information about that situation. You can ask me in the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know, if possible, depending on what you ask. You understand me? And if you listen to the video carefully, I think there are persons there asking questions, trying to find out about someone else. Yeah, so I say, where's the other person or something like that. You understand me? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that situation that you can see and hear in that video. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw a video on social media that caught my attention, viewers and subscribers, and I'm not even totally sure what to say about this video because I don't have a whole lot of confirmed information about the situation. But this video shows inside of a motor vehicle, and it seems as if a certain amount of things had been removed from the inside of the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. So I say, now, two things caught my attention about this video. One is how inside of the motor vehicle look, and the other thing that caught my attention is that the video shows at least one person with a gun that is somewhat on that person's person. Yes, so as viewers and subscribers, the video also shows at least two persons somewhat dressed in a way that makes me assume that they are in uniforms. Yes, so as viewers and subscribers, so I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think happened. What you think happened when you look at this video. Right? Observe the people.
So, this, I don't know why I'm looking for him.
That's where the wiring is for the alarm?
I don't know. You don't know sometimes when them right.
It's like that one that was in
When I get out of the car. I don't know get out of the car.
No.
Where is back?
Wait, Mr.
You hear some words that have been said in the video, viewers and subscribers. Some of the times I rather you look and listen to certain videos for yourself and tell me what you think happened. You understand? Listen back this part again, my people. Listen this part again. Listen.
I don't know why I'm looking for him. I don't know why I'm looking for him.
You hear that? One more time. Listen again. Listen.
I don't know why I'm looking for him.
You hear? Alright, my people. So tell me what you think happened based on what you saw and heard in that video that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, if you're new to my channel and if you like the way how I present videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, and if you have been watching videos on Dancehall Skilla channel and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least two persons. Now the video shows quite a number of persons, and you can hear quite a number of persons saying certain things in this video that I'm about to present to you. And to make it very clear, the video shows police, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the video shows police. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at the video and tell me what you think about this situation that you're about to see and hear in this video. Alright, listen carefully to some words that have been said in the video, and I want you to pay close attention to at least two words: soldier and prisoner. Or when it comes down to the whole accent thing, soldier and prisoner. You understand? Pay close attention to those words. Alright? Now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Listen.
The policeman is serious in all the man close. All the prisoners idiot come with a slide. But them now watch him. I'm not for buy back my guns. Look how man t-shirt just short. Chim. Should the man say I'm a soldier and him not have no identify. If show him say, watch him now left the man follow back. He must like him differently. Watch all the doctor them attack him and follow the man.
Watch the prisoner. You matter watch the prisoner. You matter.
The prisoner idiot. The prisoner should have go away.
No, everybody
So me ask my people, keep on hearing the word prisoner. You understand? I know me clearly hear soldier in the video. Alright, my people, so one thing with me, Dancehall Skilla, you know, when it comes on to certain situations and certain videos, if I don't have certain confirmed information, I will not tell you, oh, this, I try to assume some of the times and to give you misleading information and them things. And no, I rather say it is as it is and tell you what I know, exactly as I know. And if I'm assuming, I will let you know that I'm assuming. If I'm not, I just saw it go. One thing with me, I will always do my best to give you confirmed information. Now, those videos that I presented to you caught my attention, and I think at least one of them had been brought to my attention. You see me I say? So let me know what you think about those videos, viewers and subscribers. Yes, they are being talked about on social media, and you don't know, but they have to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up.